Welcome to the channel where learning meets the growth. Today we are going to learn a Java. Are you ready to unlock the power of the programming and create the future with your own hands? This course is designed for absolute beginners and anyone who wants to truly understand Java from the ground up. Step by step, we will explore Java in a way that is simple, practical, and well understood. By the end of this journal, you will not only learn Java, you will be confident in using it. Let's begin adventure. So, Java is a programming language and computing platform. Is also high-level programming language, general purpose, memory safe, and object-oriented programming. And Java was released by Sun Microsystem. So, truly understand Java and boost your skills. Stay with us until the end. Every part counts. In Java, a collection is a simple group of objects treated as a single unit. Java provides a powerful set of tools to work with the collections through what is known as the Java Collection Framework. Yeah. This framework is well structured by and unified architecture for storing, retrieving, and manipulating data. The Java collection framework includes interfaces like a list, set, and map, along with their implementations such as array list, hash set, and hash map. By using this framework, developer can handle data efficiently and write cleaner, more usable code, and so on. Understanding the Java collection framework is essential for everyone who wants to become a skilled Java programmer. So, we are going discuss discuss on the following term in order to know and in order to understand it. What's the meaning? What it does in Java? So let's start on a collection in Java. A collection is any object that holds a group of elements or an object. Yeah, it is a part of the Java collection framework. The collection interface provides the method for basic operations like adding, removing, or checking for the elements. Example of collection includes a list, set, and queues. So, uh, the second one is the collection framework. The collection framework in Java, um, the Java collection framework is a set of class and interfaces that implement commonly used data structures. It provides various collection like a set, list, maps, and so on, and it defines algorithms to manipulate them. It standardizes the way we work with a group of an object, making code more efficient and easy to maintain. The third one is very important in Java code, Java collection framework. In short, is GCF. It's a collection of interfaces and classes in the packages java.util and java.concrete, which help us in storing and processing the data efficiently, or a set of classes and interfaces that implement commonly reusable collection data structure and represent a single unit of an object. So, the Java collection framework is important because it helps you manage and organize data easily. Instead of creating your own way to store and processing information, Java gives you ready-made tools that save time and reduce errors. By running GCF, you will write more efficient, flexible, and clean Java code. A key skills for any developer. Yeah. Collections are a framework that provide predefined classes and interface to store and manipulate groups of objects like list, set, maps, and etc. Java collections are part of the java.util package. Let's see on the core interfaces in the Java collection. Yeah, In the core interface in Java collection, the first we have a list. List mm, in a list we see there is any ordered collection and it allow user to duplicate data. Ahangaha user ashobora kuduplicatinga ikintu inshuro zirenze imwe ukaba washobora kukiraninga ukakibona, nicyo bivuze. It's ordered collection and allow duplicates. And the second one is a set. Set is unordered and there is no duplicate. Ahangaho ntiwaduplicatinga ikintu inshuro zirenze imwe. Um, and the third one is a queue, is a FIFO order correction. FIFO means fast out. Yeah. The last one is a map for the key value pairs. So Java provides many common classes that make everyday programming tasks easy and more efficient. Let's talk on that common classes Java does. In that common class, let's talk on them. Let's start on array list. We're going to explain array list with a syntax and the example. So in array list, we see here is like an example. We start like import array list because we are in array. The syntax is you write array list string list equal to new array list, yes, and a list dot add. Here a user is like a user want to add apple and want to add a banana list on the memory, like array is like a memory zone. So here a user want to add apple and a banana on the array he or she have. So the you see here she user write system dot out dot print ln a list. Yeah, it means we are going to learn what an array holds. You see, it's holding apple and banana because a user add apple and banana on the array. Yes, I think it's very understandable. Let's talk on the second common class called hash sets and see we're going to see how they work with the syntax and the example. Here we start like an usual import.java, .ut, hash set string set a new hash set, and here user try to add one and two on the list, but here we have to here you remember that a A set does not allow to duplicate a data. So you see here we have one a more than one time. So it means when user try to print that a set, we will see it have two data, one and two, because one duplicate, but we can't we just ignore it because already we have the one and the two. There is no way for duplicate it, is what a set does. Unlike list allow to duplicate a data, but in set not duplicate. So let's go on the third one called hash map. Let's see the syntax and example. Import java.ut.hashmap. Yes, there is an example how you declare a hash map. So we put one a value and the Java, we put two slash Python. When we try to run a map.get one, we will get the value stored on the key one. Yes, when we get one, we get Java because we stored a we stored the value a Java on the key one. Yes, it is very understandable on that point. So the things you have to know are a collection, why we use collection. The first is dynamic sizing. Yeah, it's not static, and is breathe in starting and searching, use data manipulation and reduce Barrett code. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for watching and following along with this video. I truly appreciate your time and support. It means a lot of to have you as a part of this learning channel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow so keep practicing, stay curiosity, and remember, every step you take brings you a closer to mastering Java. Yes. See you in the next video. Thank you.